Are you looking for a way to boost your monthly income with a sustainable and rewarding business? Welcome to Agri Hub. Today, we're diving into 5 types of livestock that can help you pay your bills every month. Whether you have a large farm or just a small backyard, these animals offer excellent opportunities for profit, stability, and growth. Make sure you watch till the end to discover which livestock could be the best fit for your circumstances. And don't forget to subscribe for more smart agriculture insights. Let's start with number 5, chickens. Chickens are often the first livestock that comes to mind for new farmers, and for good reason. They are low maintenance, adaptable, and require relatively little space compared to larger animals. With layers, you can collect fresh eggs daily, which means a steady stream of income. The demand for organic and farm-fresh eggs remains strong in urban and rural areas alike. In addition to selling eggs, you can also raise broilers for meat, which provides another income stream. Chickens multiply quickly, so with just a few hens and a rooster, you can expand your flock over time. Plus, chicken manure is a valuable fertilizer, which you can use on your crops or sell to gardeners. It's important to keep your chickens healthy with proper feed, clean water, and secure housing to protect them from predators. With a modest investment, chickens can start paying your bills in just a few months. Next up at number 4, goats. Goats are incredibly versatile animals that thrive in various climates and environments. They are hardy, intelligent, and require less space and feed compared to cows. Goats can be raised for their milk, which is highly nutritious and in demand for cheese, yogurt, and specialty dairy products. Goat milk is often sought after by people with dairy sensitivities, making it a niche yet profitable market. In addition to milk, goats can be sold for meat, which is a staple in many cultures around the world. Their manure is excellent for composting and enriching the soil, and some breeds can even be used for fiber, such as cashmere or mohair. Goats are known for their curious and playful nature, making them a delight to have on any farm. To maximize profit, focus on high-quality breeds and consider value-added products like goat cheese or soap. With proper care and marketing, goats can generate a consistent monthly income. At number 3, we have rabbits. These small mammals are often overlooked, but they are one of the most efficient livestock for small-scale farmers. Rabbits reproduce quickly, with a single pair capable of producing dozens of offspring each year. They require minimal space, making them ideal for backyard farming or urban agriculture. Rabbit meat is lean, high in protein, and low in cholesterol, making it an attractive option for health-conscious consumers. In addition to meat, rabbit fur can be used for crafts or garments, and their manure is an excellent organic fertilizer. Raising rabbits is relatively quiet and odor-free compared to other livestock, which is a big advantage in residential areas. To succeed with rabbits, focus on proper breeding, clean housing, and a balanced diet. By tapping into local markets, restaurants, or direct-to-consumer sales, rabbits can help you cover your monthly expenses with ease. Coming in at number 2, sheep. Sheep are a classic choice for farmers looking to diversify their income streams. They are grazers and can convert grass and other forages into valuable products. Sheep can be raised for their meat, known as lamb or mutton, which is enjoyed in many cuisines worldwide. Wool is another profitable product, especially if you raise high-quality breeds. With the rise of sustainable and natural fibers, there is a growing market for organic wool among spinners, weavers, and crafters. Sheep's milk is also used to make specialty cheeses like feta and roquefort, adding another layer of profitability. Sheep are generally easy to manage and can be integrated with other livestock to maximize land use. Proper fencing, regular health checks, and rotational grazing will ensure your flock stays healthy and productive. With multiple revenue streams, sheep can provide reliable monthly income for your household. And finally, number 1, dairy cows. Dairy cows have long been the backbone of many successful farms, and for good reason. A single cow can produce several gallons of milk every day, translating into a steady and substantial income. Milk is a staple in most diets, and there is always strong demand for fresh, organic, and locally produced milk. Beyond selling raw or pasteurized milk, you can explore value-added products like cheese, yogurt, butter, and even ice cream to boost your profits. Cow manure is a bonus, as it can be used to fertilize crops or sold to other farmers and gardeners. While cows require more space, feed, and care compared to smaller livestock, the return on investment can be significant. To maximize income, focus on high-yielding breeds, maintain impeccable hygiene, and build relationships with local buyers and markets. With the right approach, dairy cows can not only pay your bills, but also provide a stable financial foundation for years to come. So, which livestock is best for you? The answer depends on your available space, resources, and personal interests. Chickens and rabbits are ideal for those starting small, while goats and sheep offer flexibility and multiple income options. Dairy cows are perfect for those ready to invest in a larger operation with greater rewards. Remember, success in livestock farming comes down to planning, consistency, and understanding your market. Start with 1 or 2 animals, learn the ropes, and gradually expand as your experience and confidence grow. Before you get started, be sure to research local regulations, secure proper housing and fencing, and connect with experienced farmers in your area. Joining local agricultural groups or online communities can provide valuable support and insights as you build your business. Keep accurate records of your expenses and sales to track your progress and identify opportunities for improvement. If you're ready to turn your passion for animals into a profitable venture, these 5 livestock options can help you achieve your financial goals while enjoying the many benefits of rural life. Thank you for joining us at SMART-AGRI Hub. For more tips, guides, and inspiration on sustainable farming, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Let us know in the comments which livestock you're most interested in, or share your own experiences with raising farm animals. Until next time, happy farming.